Nah, here we go. There it is. Doink.
They're coming for me.
Hey guys, it's Brian from Crash Course Camera again, and I want you to check your edges. Much like the importance of checking what's in your background around a subject so that you don't ruin a shot with things poking in and out of their heads, it's just as important to check your edges too. The stuff that's out here, right on the edges, top and bottom too. And what I mean by that is taking a second to scan all the way around your frame and look for stuff that might be distracting before you take that photo. Is your photo level, for example? You can use vertical things that you know to be level for sure, like building edges. Straighten it up, that's really easy. Also, ask yourself whether there are weird things in the photo on the edges that might distract viewers from your subject, like construction cones or an ugly dumpster, maybe fences or cars or other objects in the background that have nothing to do with the image that you're trying to convey. Fix it before you shoot it. That's really simple. If you have a zoom lens, you can do that by zooming in just a tiny bit to frame those things out of your shot and remove those distractions, or if you don't have a zoom, just move a little closer to your subject to delete those distractions from your photo. Just whatever you do, make sure you look at the edges before you pull that shot so that you know what's happening out there and you don't get home later and go, oh, I should have totally seen that, and then you're stuck with some Photoshop work, or maybe it's not savable. That's pretty much it. This is a really simple tip, but it's a really important one. And if you want to keep getting better at your photography, just subscribe to this channel. It's the red subscribe button below, and then go to Facebook and join the Crash Course Camera Facebook group and share and post your practice photos there, because you're going to get a ton of feedback for free in real time with all the other folks that are working on their photography too. Cool? Rock on.
Русские бойцы!